Messenger chat heads not working on Android. How to fix? If your Messenger chat heads or chat bubbles are not working on Android, there are a couple of things that we can check. First of all, you can open Messenger app, tap the menu icon from the bottom right, and go to Settings. From here, look for an option that says Chat Heads and make sure that this is enabled. If it's disabled, when you try to enable it, it will ask you a certain permission. You have to allow that pop-up permission, and when you've done so, Chat Heads should be working fine. Even if this is enabled, it's not working for a certain conversation, then you can try to enable for that conversation manually by going to that conversation, tapping the eye icon, tapping the three dots icon, then selecting Open Chat Heads, and then you can see we've successfully opened up in the Chat Heads. Now, if this is not working as well, it could be that you are lacking the permission to enable Chat Heads. The permission could sometimes be labeled as Display over other apps or Appear on top permission, depending upon the Android device you're using. So first, once you open Settings on Android, go to Apps. Look for the permission section. In my case, I have three dots icon here, and from here I can go to Special Access. In the case of Samsung device, it is the Appear on top permission. So go to Appear on top, find Messenger, and make sure that you've enabled it for the Messenger application right there. In some devices, it could be labeled as Display over other apps. So you want to make sure to go to that permission and allow the Messenger app to have that permission. And next time the chat heads should be working just fine. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.